Hello everybody, Remrov here. As you can see, I am working on a drawing. It's a pretty new drawing. I started it a few weeks ago. Actually, it's not all that new then. Um, it's gonna be a drawing of Downtown Montreal. This is what I've done so far. Um, this is the medical building of the McGill University downtown, with a few other buildings around it. I don't know the names of all those buildings. Um, I'm setting it up with pen, as you can see here. What I'm just doing at the moment, and then later, piece by piece, I'm coloring it in. What I've done here already, except for the bushes there, I just want to make that a bit more darker, so I didn't make that green yet. Might still work a little bit on the contrast here and there, but yeah, so far this part is almost finished. It's gonna be another really big drawing, just like my lion drawing I just finished. This one is gonna be 40 by 80 inch. You can see it covers a big part of my wall. I'm really excited about it. I've never done a cityscape before, and definitely not in this size. So yeah, it's a really nice challenge for me to just do something completely different than an animal, and also on this size, just a whole view of downtown Montreal. I thought it was yeah, cool to try something completely new. The paper was a bit of an issue to find. Maybe you remember that my lion drawing, that paper was actually too smooth for my for graphite. So I eventually did it with charcoal, and that worked better, but it was still, yeah, actually just too smooth for that kind of a medium. Although yeah, it worked out quite nice, and I'm happy with the result. But yeah, the paper could have been rougher. That would have been better for charcoal. And for this paper, so I was looking for something more rough, because I wanted to do it like, or with graphite, or colored pencil. So it definitely needed to be rougher, and so I found rougher paper. But this, it's yeah, it's quite funny actually. This is almost too rough. It's watercolor paper. It's not the roughest watercolor paper, but it's for pen, and especially for pen and working very detailed. It's yeah, it's quite rough. Um, it is working though, so yeah, I'm fine with it, and I think the result will be good. Um, Especially in this format, it's not easy to find yeah, the paper that you really need, because there's like really, these are like really big rolls of paper, and yeah, you're very limited in what kind of paper you can get um, in that size. For the pens, I'm using Staedtler 0.05 is this one. I'm using that for the shading like this, little windows, and the smaller details. Then I also have pen 0.1 for lines that need to be a bit thicker, and for like bigger shadows like these windows there, I use 0.3, because if I would do that with such a thin point, then it's gonna take a bit long. I like Staedtler. I like the Staedtler brand. I also have graphite pencils in brand Staedtler. Yeah, they're just like good quality, I find, and so yeah, I prefer to stick to certain brands. This drawing is gonna take quite a lot longer than my lion drawing. My line drawing already took definitely at least about 400 hours, something like that. In total, I've been working on like on and off like 9 months. But if I really add the time I've been really actively working on it, then it's like 6 months or something. And this drawing is gonna be taking a lot longer than that, because it's just a lot more details. All these buildings, little windows and bushes, etc. in between the buildings. It's just gonna take a lot longer than fur of a lion, for example. So I'm just gonna wrap up this video here and keep on working on it for a bit longer today. And I'll make another video when I'm a bit further along in this progress. I hope you like it so far, and I wish you a great day, and I hope to see you with my next videos again. Bye!